In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VAT number in Shopify. Setting up VAT correctly is important for tax compliance and accurate customer billing. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Taxes and Duties. This section controls all tax-related settings for your store. Now scroll to the area where you manage tax registrations. Depending on your region, you may see options for VAT, GST or other tax systems. Click Add VAT Number or Add Registration. Next, enter your VAT number exactly as provided by your tax authority. Double check the number carefully to avoid any tax calculation issues later on. If you sell digital products, you can also enable the option to charge VAT on digital goods, so Shopify automatically applies the correct tax rates where required. After entering your VAT information, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, Shopify will use your VAT settings during checkout and tax calculations for eligible orders. And that's it. You've successfully added your VAT number to Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.